Now, we are just days away from closing arguments in the Larry Millete murder trial. The defense presented and finished its case yesterday. ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo has been covering this case from the beginning. She spoke with a criminal defense attorney about what comes next.
Criminal defense attorney Tim Scott tells me closing arguments are one of the few times during trial where the attorneys can talk directly to the jurors. In this case, made up of 7 women, 5 men, and the alternates. A trial that took years to get underway is now nearing its end, and Larry Millete's fate will soon be in the hands of a jury, left to decide if he's guilty of killing his wife Maya. The prosecution's case lasted 24 days. The defense's case, less than 3 hours.
I'm not surprised that it was a short and sweet case.
Tim Scott is a criminal defense attorney not related to the Millete case. Larry's defense team had initially said their case would take 4 to 5 days, but it ended up being about 2.5 hours, with just 3 witnesses called to the stand. Scott says that's not really surprising.
When the prosecution just didn't meet their burden, a short or almost non-existent defense case can just be a statement saying they didn't meet their burden.
He also says people shouldn't read into Larry not taking the stand in his own defense.
And it is his right. Nobody has to take the stand to explain why they're innocent. It's the government or the prosecution's burden to show that they're guilty.
Monday, the prosecution and the defense will argue jury instructions. Closing arguments will start Tuesday. Scott says it'll be a busy weekend for the attorneys.
Well, it's a sprint. They're working around the clock. They're not getting a lot of sleep. They're pouring everything they've got into finishing the case strong and then giving the kind of closing that the case deserves.
Prosecutors say Larry killed his wife Maya and disposed of her body so well that it's never been found. The defense has argued there's no evidence Maya was even murdered and has suggested she could have left the Millete home on her own and ran away. It'll soon be up to the jury of 12 to decide which case they agree with. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.